Okay.
No, so this is to relax on. Okay. So it's a thunder arrestor. So have you seen it? It's a pivot thunder arrestor. So here is the pointer. Alright. So we have our copper tape here. Then we have the basket and other things. So if you watch here, this is a base. So we constructed this to serve as a base. Hereby you can tie this here. Okay. So this base will rest on the bridge on top of the roof, the highest elevation of the roof. Okay. So let's couple this. Should face downward. Then you tight. So we are going to attach this to it because our tape, this copper tape, will be fixed here.